Welcome! If you're tired of tapping every single GIF just to see it move in Discord on your phone, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn on autoplay for GIFs in Discord Mobile, so you can enjoy all the fun and reactions instantly. No more extra taps needed. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have the Discord app installed and updated to the latest version on your mobile device. Once you're ready, open up the Discord app. Now look at the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture. Go ahead and tap on it. This will take you straight to your user settings, where you can customize all sorts of features to make Discord work just the way you like. Next, scroll down through your settings until you find the option labeled Accessibility. Tap on that. The Accessibility menu is where Discord puts a lot of helpful features to make the app easier and more enjoyable for everyone. Once you're in the Accessibility section, keep scrolling until you see the setting called Automatically Play GIFs when possible. By default, this might be turned off, especially if you've never changed it before. All you have to do is tap the toggle switch to turn it on. And that's it. From now on, every time someone sends a GIF in your chats or servers, it'll start playing automatically. No more clicking or waiting. Just instant reactions and endless fun. If you ever want to turn this feature off, just follow these steps again and toggle the switch back. It's that simple. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick and easy tech tips. Enjoy your autoplaying GIFs and have a great time chatting on Discord.